Welcome, audience, from my channel. I am Jimmy. Listening to one song, you can earn $4.80 or even over $5.50. You can listen to the songs on Spotify, Apple Music, or on YouTube. This works in almost all countries around the world. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to bwavework.com. bwave is the platform where you can earn over $100 a day listening to music songs. I will leave a link to bwave in the description of this video in the pinned comment. You can click that link to come to the homepage of bwavework.com. bwave is an innovative platform that changes the way the world works and provides more opportunities for freelancers like you and me. The good thing is that you can use it on both your mobile device and on your computer or laptop device. But for our future videos, comment down below the device you use the most in the country you are from so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, if you're using a laptop or computer device, you just need to open the browser on your device and come over to bwavework.com. If you use a mobile phone, all you have to do is open the Chrome browser or Safari browser on your mobile device and search for bwavework in the search bar. Just click the first link and you will be taken to the bwavework official website. As you can see, bwave gives you $12 as a sign-up bonus, which is really awesome. Also, today I will be showing you a secret method to earn 10 times more money with bwave, so stay tuned until the end if you want me to show my live withdrawal proof from bwave. Then help me get over 5,000 likes on this video. Step 1. Register yourself on bwave. Just tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and you will be shown two options to register. The registration process is a bit confusing and important, so pay close attention to it. You can directly register and log in using your Gmail account if you want to, or you can tap on the login with email option from there. Then just select create an account from the bottom of your screen. Now on this page, you can enter your email in the first box and then press the get button to get the OTP on your email for verification. Just enter the OTP received in your email in this box. Next, create a strong password for your account and enter the same in the next box to confirm it. In the referral code, you can enter my referral code 23809 and then tap on sign up to complete your registration. Once you sign up, the very first thing you must do is click on your profile again and go to the account settings option. From there, select the withdrawal password option. This will take you to the page where you need to enter your phone number and press the get button again to receive the OTP on your number to verify it. After that, set a 6-digit withdrawal password for your account. Once you earn a good amount of money, you can easily withdraw it using the withdrawal password you set. I suggest you write down this password in a password notebook or any safe place for future use. After setting your withdrawal password, you can claim your $12 sign-up bonus by tapping on the dollar icon at the bottom. To claim your bonus, just tap on the gift icon next to your account balance, then tap the receive button, and the $12 sign-up bonus will be credited to your account for free. Step 2. Start earning money by listening to music songs using bwave. For this, you can use either your mobile device or your PC, but it's easier for me to show it on a laptop. So I'm using a laptop to demonstrate how to make money online with bwave. The first thing you need to do is come over to the homepage of bwave. On the homepage, scroll down a little bit and you will find the task call, where you can find different ways to make money online with bwave, such as question and answers, ghostwriting, downloading apps to earn money. But today, click on the music promotion section because we want to earn money by listening to music songs. This section will show you Spotify songs, YouTube songs, and Apple Music songs to listen to and earn money. You can earn anywhere from $0.80 per song to $4.80 or even $5.50 per song by listening to music. These are the tasks that you can complete one by one. If you want, you can listen to all of these music songs one after another and get paid over $100 per day just by listening to songs. But there is a step-by-step process. For example, if you want to get paid for listening to a song called Birds of Feather on YouTube, for which you will be paid $0.80, the first step of the process will be to click the get button to get this task. If you got this offer, this music task will be added to your task list. Now you just need to complete the task of listening to the YouTube music song and you will get paid for it. To do so, open the task detail where it says that you need to copy the link or open the link from here. Like the music and save it to your like music. Then take a screenshot and submit it as proof that you saved it to your like music. Once the task is completed, a specialist will review it. After passing the review, the task reward will be credited to your available balance. You can earn up to $4.80 per song or more if you listen to higher paying songs. However, in the free plan of B-Wave, you can only get paid up to $4 per day. To earn $100 per day listening to music, you need to opt for the higher plans. Step 3. Earn 10 times more money by completing Q&A tasks. To earn more money, come over to the homepage of B-Wave again. And here in the task hall, select the Q&A section. Here, you will find a ton of question and answer tasks, where you just need to answer simple questions about different topics like life, finance, health, politics, and more. After you click Get Task, once approved, you will receive the task in your task list. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to answer these questions. Just copy and paste the questions from B-Wave to ChatGPT, and it will provide you the answers. You can then copy and paste the answers, but I suggest you add your own thoughts and experiences wherever possible. Bonus! Earn more money by completing ghostwriting tasks. In the ghostwriting section, you can get paid anywhere from $50 to $100 for submitting scripts, blog articles, etc. Here too, you can use ChatGPT to complete the tasks. Once you get approved, the reward will be credited to your account. Invite friends. If you want to earn even more money, you can tap on the profile section and tap on the invite friends section. This will show your referral QR code and your referral code. You can copy the link and share it with your friends. For every successful referral, you will earn a $6 reward. Now, if you want me to show my live withdrawal proof from B-Wave, then help me get over 5,000 likes on this video, and I will share my live withdrawal proof in an upcoming video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.